So I'm just going to go through a couple of points to do with the heater box, in that its support, it's got three little supports, and generally I find that the rubbers that support it are generally missing. They've fallen out and they've got lost. And I'm just going to run through how Citroen designed it and refit the missing parts. This one actually has got missing parts. Because we can't actually see it because it's in place, I have another one here, upside down, same unit. And it's just to show that we've got three mounting points of the unit onto the frame. And how it works is you have two little rubber top hats, if you like, which go either side of the plastic support. This is a plastic housing. You then have a little steel tube that goes down the middle, and then the bolt with a large washer and an anti-vibration washer comes through and screws into the captive nut on the frame. So you've got two like that. So this is the third mount, which is actually underneath up here. And being Citroen, it's a slightly different design, but works on the same principle. So the captive nut this time is in the casing of the heater, but you've got, again, similar idea, which is two rubber halves, you like, but the main difference is this little cup-shaped aluminium washer, which fits into the top rubber mount, which again is a slightly different shape in that it is a larger diameter and goes over the inner, therefore clamping the thinner steel where it goes through. So that's how that fits. Now I'm going to fit it onto this car, which means crawling under it and trying to get everything to fit. Oops. So that's it in place. I just need to get the bolt to start. So that one's loosely in. The top design, I've already got the lower half of the rubber in place, and so I now fit the top half into the hole and the bolt all the way down through it. Now I look around for my lost socket. And there we go. Again, when as you tighten this up, you'll tighten up onto the central tube, so you can't really over-tighten it. You can't over-tighten the rubbers, although these ones are a little bit old and therefore perished, but that's what happens with old parts. The final one is right down there where you can't see it, and I'm also going to add to this bolt the earth wire for the fan, just because it makes it convenient, a convenient earth point. So I put the bolt through first and then the large washer and feed it down. And hopefully catch to the captive nut which is underneath, which it is doing. And there we go. I'll just need to tighten up the one under here. This one under here is the one that's usually lost, because of course it's upside down, and if it becomes loose it falls down and it gets lost and you never find it again. You don't know how it was supposed to be. There we go. And that's the heater box, nicely mounted and rubber supported.